What's up, guys? Starting trading day here, 9:31. We're watching CLPS, which is I think the leading gapper, but it's coming down here. But it did make a huge push at the open. It was gonna go into a halt, and then it failed, and then now it's in a halt going down and breaking below support. So this is not a good setup unless it can break back over the highs, which we'll probably have to wait for a 5-minute setup. So this is kind of off my list. I'm not going to try and trade it under the highs because it's already showed how weak it is. So I'm just going to sit here, I'm going to wait, and I'll see you back when we actually make some trades. I'm gonna punch an order there, stop at 91. I'm gonna hold it. Sold too early. 5-cent loss, well, 100 shares, it's not bad, but you know, it broke pretty low there. Yeah, it broke to 85, so it's like, where do you stop out if you have a 10-cent, 15-cent stop? I got out 10-cent stop, and I mean, it didn't even end up resolving. I might have been able to scalp 10 cents, but that was good risk management otherwise. I had to just stop there. Oh man. Yeah, it just felt like that was gonna... That's annoying. I just had a feeling that that was gonna crash. Hopefully this is a false halt. Yep. I'm gonna take a stab here. 1140, stop. I'm gonna stop out there. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna call it a day here because I'm in the red and definitely over my max loss, but the only stock that's moving I can't trade because of CMEG putting it on restriction, which is weird. This is the first and only time this has ever happened to me that CMEG put a stock on restriction. And this is actually the reason I switched over from SureTrader, because it was like every day, every stock that was actually moving, they put on restriction, a margin restriction. So it was just like, what's the point of using your platform if I literally can't trade anything unless I have cash? What's the point in paying and opening a margin account if I have to have cash to make every trade I wanted to make? So it just got to the point where, you have enough of these days where it's like I'm in the red, and stocks that aren't on restriction aren't moving, and then the one stock that everyone's focused on that's moving, look, like in the last 10 minutes, CLPS has moved $6. So it's like the one stock that is moving, that's the A quality setup to trade. I can't trade, so it's like I have to settle for B quality setups. Now, the losses I took today were losses. They were mismanaged trades. But, when you have the opportunity to make double your loss back, it's frustrating when you have to just sit on the sideline. So hopefully this is the first time and only time it's only happened, so hopefully it doesn't happen going forward. CLPS is the leading gapper. So, whatever, you have days like this. I'm actually still green my last 2 green days, I think. If not, I'm break even. So I gave back way too much profit today. Didn't manage my share size well, which is frustrating, but it's only Wednesday, and we'll be back at it tomorrow, and hopefully we can make some money and end the week green. So that's it, and I'll see you then.